39 minutes after 6 o'clock now, WKBN and Storm Team 27 are working together to get you winter ready. When weather gets life-threatening, our teams come together to bring you the most comprehensive weather coverage. Throughout every newscast on both WKBN and WYTV today, we're looking at ways you can prepare your home, car, and even yourself for the winter months. This half hour, we are looking at how to get your furnace ready for the snow. One local expert says when winterizing your home, there's a lot to think about.
It needs air to burn, and it needs that air to be able to send it up through the flue pipe. So if we seal our houses up, and I understand why we want to do that, we want to make it as efficient as possible, but if we seal that house up and we have no air that can come in, we can actually prevent the furnace from working properly. We can actually prevent the chimney from venting properly, the hot water tank from venting properly.
Now here's another idea to save you some money. Have a programmable thermostat installed. You can set the temperature lower when you're not home or sleeping, which will help you save on your heating bill.